Hi, today for the HUAWEI NOVA 11i, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the app gallery and get the green Apple keyboard from the app gallery. So enter the green Apple keyboard. Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, and now here click enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher and tap to OK twice. Then click to go back and tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's just check the new keyboard. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.